the best to you from Kmart Radio.
Here I am, February 2nd, Groundhog's Day, and you see we got a little snowstorm here. Look at this. This is the night after the massive snowstorm, and it looks like it has stopped snowing. You can see we got a massive hill right here. We got another hill over here, and a hill across the street. And this is probably could be worse than the 1967 or the 1999 snowstorm. This could be in the top 3. And you can see there's still snow in the street. Barely any, but still there's snow in the street. And you know, yeah, look at this. Look at this hill. Good Lord. I mean, you can have a little play with little children in this little hill here. I mean, look at how hard it would be for me to walk into this little squeeze in here. I mean, look at this. Pretty big storm we had. Tree. And, you know, just feel like whipping some snow at someone's face right now. Oh no, somebody clutch at this and whip it at someone. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This is some major doo-doo. I don't know how the guy is gonna shovel this. Luckily I don't have to, because I'd probably be dead by the time I was done with this hill. Good Lord. I would walk to the... Let's see if I could walk to the back of the parking lot. Good God! I can't do that. Look at this. Oh. I can't tell if that's a car buried under the snow. No, I don't think that's a car. I think that's just a big-ass hill. Oh. Luckily, I still have my old shoes, because I don't want to ruin my new DCs. Luckily, I'm wearing my Vans. I'm gonna try and walk to the back here. Well, you can see there's a hill, and I'm walking in this steep little. Well, I don't know. Look at this. Look, you got a hole in the a hill in the parking lot. There's no way I could get over to that side. I mean, good God. I mean. Look at that. Look at all that snow on my shoes. I'm going back in.